Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over is the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro with sounds by JBL waterproof. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro and are wondering if the speaker is waterproof. To simply put, the speaker is not waterproof, okay? Although it is a speaker by JBL, this does indicate that it is an indoor speaker. So I highly don't recommend placing this outside. This is meant to be an indoor speaker. So in our case, we actually place the speaker inside of our bathroom, but away from the water, of course, and it just stays permanently plugged in. But with it being plugged in though, it never runs out of battery and it never comes into contact with water. And that is how you can actually go ahead and keep the speaker up and running. But if you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.